Hi students, welcome to my UHV2 lecture series. Today we are going to see interconnectedness, self-regulation and mutual fulfillment among the four orders of nature. So let us see what is our basic human aspiration. As we know, it is continuous happiness and prosperity. Program for fulfillment of our aspirations are harmony in human being, harmony in the family, harmony in the society, harmony in nature, existence, nature. So today we are going to focus on harmony in nature, existence with nature. Okay. Process of understanding is self-exploration, and we know what is for self-exploration. We do experimentation, experimental validation, and we understand, verify our natural acceptance, and we understand things and we start doing that. Let us see all the four orders. So we have physical order, we have bio order, we have animal order, we have human order. What is this physical order? What are the units under this? We have soil, we have metals, we have all materials, non-living things which we are getting from this and earth is called as physical order. And we have bio order, we have all varieties of plants. Okay, it may be grass, it may be shrub, it may be herb, it may be big tree, it may be tall trees. Okay, everything is categorized as bio-order. All greenery is categorized as bio-order. Then we have animal order. Under animal order, we have all varieties of animal. It may be we can say domestic animal, we may say wild animals, and into this order we include birds also. So birds, animals, everything is animal order, and we have a special category of order called human order. It is nothing but ourselves. The units under this are, we are the unit under this. All the human beings are the units of human order, right? So what are the activities done by these order? We'll see. Physical order, it is just formation and deformation. Today you may have a rock, tomorrow it will turn out to be a soil. Today a portion may be look like a soil, it will turn out to be a rock. Okay. You have some chemical compounds in that, and that will convert into another chemical. Metal may convert into metal oxide. Okay. It is converted into ores. Okay, and this ore may be sometimes converted into back into metal. So formation and deformation. Maybe ores converted into metal is by the action of human being. But in nature, formation and deformation is their activity. Today they are in one form, tomorrow they will be of another form. Then what is the activity of bioorder? So there we have formation and deformation. So we have death and life. So that is formation and deformation. Okay. And along with that, additional activity done by bioorder is respiration. Okay, they respire. Until they live, they respire. Okay. So activity of animal order, it is formation and deformation. Even animal give birth, and as well as there is death of animal, and they possess a body where they undergo respiration, they respire, and also they have a body which they carry here and there. In plant order, they cannot carry themselves, but in animal order, they carry the body. Okay, and they have the another important activity, they have the willingness to have selecting and tasting, right? They don't eat whatever is there. They will to taste something, and not that activity is additional we can find in animal. Okay, if it wants only it will have, otherwise it will not have it. So selecting and tasting is additional quality in animal. Let us come to human. What is the activity done by human? So they also form, deform. So life and death is there. They respire. Yes, we all respire, right? Then we have a body, we carry the body. And what is the speciality of it? Yes, we will be having a selecting and tasting quality. We have a choices, means we select it. What type of food today we want to have, we select it. We are selecting and we are tasting it. Not only food, what type of dress, attire I want to wear. Right, that also we decide, we select and we taste it. Right. Then additional to this, we have imagination, right, and analyzing and comparing. We want to analyze and compare. So we think, the thinking ability is analyzing and comparing. Imaging, we can imagine what will be happening in future, what would have happened in past. So these are other activity we do it. Okay. So, and also we have the potential for understanding in I, whether this is right or wrong. This potential of understanding is only with human order. So all these are the activities of all the order. Yeah. Let us see the innateness in all the four order. In physical order, what is the innateness? Okay, self-organization, self-regulation, self-organized thing, right? In physical order, it is existence. The non-material, non-living thing just exist in nature. Okay, they exist in nature and they form and they deform. Their existence is their reality. Existence is in definite order. Okay. So physical order, definitely they are existing. What is innateness of bio order? Unique character, self-regulation of the bio order. It is existence. Yes, they also exist. They are in reality. Along with that, in what way they distinguish from non-living thing is their growth. They grow. Okay, so that is the unique quality or innateness of the bio order. Then we have animal order. In animal order, again it is existence, again it is growth. They have the body, and here we have another important quality here, willing to live in I. Okay, will to live in I. Okay, they decide I, they give importance to this I, right? So they decide will to live. So the decision is made by the self. Here an additional quality which we can say that it is self. Self is the thing which select and taste. Self is the thing which has the will to live. Right. Then innateness in human order, it is again existence, again it has growth in body, they have growth in body, okay, and willing to live with continuous happiness in I. In animal, there is a will to live, but there is no, oh, that will does not go with the willingness to live with happiness. Happiness is not their part of it. They have a will to live, that's it. But here, since we have analyzing, comparing that quality, so we have a will to live with continuous happiness in I. Okay, so that quality is innateness of the human. Okay, self-organized. So how will they achieve this continuous happiness, or how we achieve this continuous happiness? With right feeling, right understanding, right? We have the quality of right understanding followed by right feeling, and that leads to continuous happiness. So that is the innateness of human being, human order. Now let us see inheritance. Okay, so physical order, inheritance, what is their made up of, what is their thing, they are constitution based, right? So if I take metal, say iron, okay, it is made up of Fe, it is made up of atom of ions, constitution based. Okay, shall I take lime, they are made up of calcium carbonate. So there is a combination of things happening in it, so that is constitution based, right? Then inheritance in bio order, it is seed based. One generation to next generation, it is traveled by seed based. Most of the cases it is say seed based. Certain cases it is stem based, right? But inheritance is through seed. Generally we categorize it as seed based. Certain case we have stem based. Certain case we have just the root based. Okay, just we have a part of the root, it starts growing. But generalizing things of bio order, it is seed based, right? Animal order, under animal order, inheritance is breed based. Okay, so there is no seed here. It is the breed based, one variety of breed to another variety of breed. I think so you understand what is breed based. I need not elaborate it here, right? It is easy to understand, distinguish ourselves from animal from plant. How plant have a next generation, next level of growth, a small sapling to tree, then again some small sapling. And in animal, how the younger one is given birth, right? That is breed based. And in human being, it is again we think that it is breed based. Along with that, what is the important quality? It is education sanskar based, right? It is education sanskar based. We will see in detail. We have seen already this education sanskar in another one of my lecture. Okay, inheritance, what we understand from the term inheritance, how conduct is decided, maintained generation after generation, how the quality of the order is maintained generation after generation, right? That is called inheritance. So here for human order, it is education sanskar based, that is value based. To say simply, it is value. Yeah. So let us elaborate this quality, right? Conduct of human being is decided by its education sanskar. Human education sanskar is based on human conduct, right? Inhuman education sanskar gives to inhuman conduct, right? So how it is, okay? So human education sanskar, that is values, what our elder people and people in our family say to us, okay? It gives us the right understanding. So if we get the right understanding, then we have right feeling, and when we have right feeling, it gives us the willingness or will to live continuous happiness in I, and this is transferred to the next generation. See, human civilization has grown. How? Because of this education sanskar. We have given, the first generation has given something to the next generation, and that is taken to next level to the next generation, and that is taken to the next level, and this way human civilization has grown. Right. Similarly, the value which we have added to our life, and that is the one which gives us the continuous happiness or will to live. So that is called education sanskar. So inheritance of human being is education sanskar based. Even though it will look like it is breed based, somewhere similar to that, yes, basic part, but the major part is the education sanskar. The value which we are carrying with us is taking the human being to the next level, right? Today we are learning about universal human value. So we will carry this to our next generation. So that will carry to next generation, and one day definitely we will find that we have continuous happiness all around the world. So that is education sanskar based, right? Yeah, think. So participation of human being in entire nature, how we can participate in the entire nature, it is preservation. One term we will use here is preservation. What is this preservation? What we have to preserve? If we have to preserve the environment, okay, the nature. How? By enrichment, by protecting it, and by right utilizing the resources, right? We want to enrich the nature, we want to protect the nature and rightly utilize the nature. And prosperity, second point is prosperity, fulfillment of human need in a manner that preserves nature. So we want prosperity, we want the growth, right? Human being needs a growth, right? That prosperity we can achieve it only through resources, but in what way we have to fulfill the needs? By preserving the nature. What is preservation? Enrichment, protection and right utilization, right? Protecting its innateness. What we need to protect in nature? Its innateness, its inheritance, enriching its inheritance and making right utilization of nature in line with its activity. Participation of human being in entire nature, right? We'll have a summary of what we have learned today. Physical order, it is nothing but soil, water, air, protects its innateness, existence, protection, constitution of earth. Okay, so this we need to protect. Bio order, plant, trees, protect and nurture its innateness. We need to protect and nurture its innateness. All the responsibilities are on the human being or human order. Why? We are the one who have created disharmony in nature, and we have to take the responsibility to protect the nature and participate in a right manner, right, and with right understanding in the nature, ensure its inheritance. Okay, animal order, it is animals and birds. We need to protect its innateness, ensure its inheritance. Okay, human order, here we need anything to be done. Yes, protects its innateness. We need to protect our innate quality. What is that? Willing to live with continuous happiness. Provide societal system for facilitating and living with right understanding. So we need to have a society where we have the facility to live with right understanding, ensure its inheritance. So it is our role. So the major part, okay, how we can participate sustainably with nature, it is only with education, sanskar. Ensure human education, sanskar. Thank you, students. Hope you have understood the interconnectedness between all the four orders. See here we have the picture of nature. So how they are interconnected and how beautiful it is. Let us leave the nature as it is, as beautiful, or let us bring back the nature as beautiful as it was. So it is the role of human being. Yes, we can do it. Come on. With education, sanskar. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video lecture. Thank you.